Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to update and upgrade Kali Linux to the latest version, which is right now Kali Linux 2026.1. So let's start. So first of all, we have to check the current version of Kali Linux. You can use the version using this command. So first of all, we have to check the current version of Kali Linux. You can check the current version using this command. So in this machine, 2025.4 is the current version of Kali Linux. So now we will update and upgrade to Kali Linux into the latest release. First of all, check the repository file. And the Kali Linux repository file looks like this. Click on the I button to learn how to update the repository file. Or I will give the article link in the description below, where you can learn all about how to update Kali Linux. Now update your Kali Linux using this command. Sudo apt update. It will take some time to update your Kali Linux. And now upgrade your Kali Linux using this command. Sudo apt full -upgrade -y. I will give all commands in the description below. Now, this upgrade depends on your internet speed. Now, after completing this command, you have to reboot your system. So you can reboot your computer using this command. Enter your sudo user password. Now you have to log in here with your credentials. So this is the Kali default XFC desktop environment. Now you can open the terminal. And using this command, you can check the installed Kali Linux version. So here you can see the latest version of Kali Linux 2026.1. So that is it. This is the way how to update and upgrade Kali Linux to the latest version on your machine. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.